Sa amin, because we just wanted, as you can see, very short lang yung cross-examination natin. We just wanted to reiterate certain points, specifically kung ano yung nakasulat sa joint circular. So yun lang naman yung goal talaga natin. And yun nga, wala naman tayong nakitang deviation doon sa naging testimonya ni Ms. Acosta before the Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability. So yung naging cross natin very short lang din.
Sir, on the last question during recross, why was it important to underscore that the House asked her to speak in Filipino and in English when she asked to speak in Bisaya?
Oh yeah, thank you for that question, Ms. Katrina. Kasi obviously we had to just state for the record kasi the other day, I think may mga lumalabas rin na baka nagbibisaya para parang sort of evasive yung witness or just to evade or as a matter of strategy nagbibisaya. So we just had to also state for the record and just for the information of the public and the senator judges na yung House Committee hearings, yung Good Government and Public Accountability, simula pa naman nun, talagang gusto na magbisaya ng witness na si Ms. Acosta. Doon lang talagang hinimok siya na mag-Tagalog at mag-English. Tulad na rin ang nangyari ngayon. Just to really inform the public that perhaps hindi naman yan strategy or evasiveness. It's really her nature na mas komportable siya sa Bisaya since Bisaya talaga siya.
Balikan ko lang si Acosta, attorney, kasi doon sa kanyang pagtestimonya.